Welcome everyone to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about the param tag. The param tag. Yeah, the param tag is not a very common tag, but we'll discuss about it. The param tag is used to define parameters for an object element. Yeah, the param tag is used to define an a parameter for an object element. So let me show you what the param tags is all about. So we are going to make use of the object first. So the object has some attributes. We'll be making use of the data of okay. Let me insert the param tag so you understand better. So this is the param tag. So now the param tag. So the param tag also has two attributes by default. So the first one, which is the name, we'll be adding autoplay. Why this value will be true. This value will be true. Then this data here, let me add the sound so that you understand what I'm trying to say. So let me add the sound. We already have our sound folder here, so where we import our sound. Now you see, so by default I've already set this param here to auto. So by default the sound will be playing by default auto to be playing. So you can see the param tag is very easy and simple to use. So I hope this helps you. So you see, this is how to make use of the param tag. I hope it helps. So thank you. In the next tutorial, we are going to teach something more